Nearly 200 years ago, in the prosperous Connecticut village of Greenfield Hill, a grist mill was built. Throughout the years, it became a blacksmith's forge and an ice house, and finally, in the 1930s, a residence of real distinction and character. You see the waterfall that originally served the mill. There's beautiful hand-cut stonework. The walls are 1.5 feet thick. Come take a look and let's discover this beautiful home. This is a living room with a real wow factor. The walls are plaster covering natural stonework. The ceiling has redwood beams. The floors are antique wide plank walnut imported from France. There's a fireplace at the center of the room and a mullioned door leading out into the garden. The balustrade was bought at a Sotheby's auction in Marseille in the 1930s, and it's the church rail from a chapel in France in the 18th century. The doors leading to the living room and throughout the foyer are among the many treasures of this fabulous home. They're cherry wood, hand-carved, imported from France, where they belonged inside a chapel. In the banquet-sized dining room, guests can enjoy the beauty and simplicity of the home. Let's walk through the butler's pantry into the kitchen. I've never seen people react the way they do when they discover this view. Right outside the window, beside the patio, there's a waterfall. People get fascinated, hypnotized, and finally feel soothed by the sound of the water. It's thrilling. It's never the same because the water has moods that reflect nature. You can entertain guests in the afternoon on the patio beside the waterfall. Later go to sleep with the sound of the brook just outside your window. The window in the master bath also frames a waterfall view. A beautiful space with marble and brass fixtures and the ambiance of a luxury hotel. The media room on the lower level is another treasure. Notice the hand-hewn wood coffering on the ceiling. And here on the lower level, there's also a guest suite with a full bath and a bedroom overlooking the babbling brook. Bronson's Mill is unique. A house built over a stream next to a waterfall, rich in history, with fabulous 200-year-old stonework. It's a place that's nurturing and calming and takes us back to a time of greater simplicity. And yet there's a grandeur, too, about the property that you'll fall in love with. Call me anytime if you'd like to come and see for yourself.